Hi guys, this is Saurabh from MrGeeksUnited.com, and today I'm going to unbox this Logitech Harmony remote. It can control up to 3 devices: your TV, your cable or DVR box, and your DVD and Blu-ray player. And it works with more than 5,000 brands. So let's open this up. Okay, so I've managed to cut the plastic cover. Let me see. It has got this usual documentation. A micro USB cable to probably connect this to your computer. 2 batteries. And this is the remote. It appears to be very shiny, very nice. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.